Hey guys, my name is Aftab. Welcome to Magento 2 series. Throughout this video series, we are going to learn major concept in Magento 2. With this video, just a quick introduction. Before I start, tell me about Magento 2. I'm explaining from the basics of Magento 2. So Magento 2 is a CMS and used for medium and large level e-commerce websites. Magento is open source e-commerce engine, and Magento also provide enterprise edition. So enterprise edition is bit difference. Magento enterprise edition adds some functionality like indexing, caching system, and some promotional features. So in this video series we are cover in Magento community edition. After this video series, definitely we will learn enterprise edition also. So Magento is a rich features platform compared to other CMSs like Joomla, Drupal, WordPress. So we are learn in this series how to develop template, how to develop Magento module, how can work Magento admin area, and how can work front end. So in this video, very much introduction. Next video we will learn architect of Magento 2. Thanks for watching. See you on next video.